Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Turejo Foot Spa Bath with massager, with heat bubbles, and this is the upgraded 2020 version with 6 automatic massage rollers and pedicure attachments. Pumic stone and time and temperature control. That's awesome. Those your tired feet up. Upgraded motorized foot spa massage. Turejo Foot Spa upgraded 6 automatic rollers more effectively stimulate all the acupressure points of our souls. A combination of automatic rollers massage, oxygen bubble massage, auto heating, foot, stone massage, and infrared light therapy to help relieve stress and fatigue, improve our sleeping quality, enhance the blood circulation to improve metabolism. That's awesome. That's sound awesome. And it feels awesome as well. Fast heating and temperature maintenance. Heated foot spa massager. The water temperature can be set between 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. These are approximately 35 degrees Celsius up to 48 degrees Celsius with Safe PTC Heater, speed heating to our comfortable temperature and automating the water temperature after it. Bottom heat dissipation design offers a super double protection. And it's not only a massage device. The foot massager spa is equipped with the outer rotating pedicure stone. The included nail file and brush target to help remove the dead skin and smooth our feet up. We can use it with the foot spa massage to better improve our foot skin appearance, keeping it fresh and smooth as well. Additional infrared lights help sterilization of our feet, keeping them clean and hygiene. It will be great to add essential or epsom salt for a nice foot spa therapy. And more humanized design. The foot spa bath also designed with an intimate timer function. Just one button to set the ideal massage time. It came with invisible portable handler and an automatic drain. Super convenient to move the foot bath tube and empty the tube itself. Enough big space to perfectly fits up to a man's size 15 feet. Good for personal use and as gift for others too. And safety first. The FDA certification certifies quality ensure our safety. All the foot spa massages are on strict inspection before packaging. That sounds great, and it is great. What is Turejo? Turejo? It is a Turejo Foot Spa Massager. It gives us a therapeutic home salute. Daily works keep us busy, and we even do not have enough leisure time to relax ourselves. After a long time work under high pressure, we have to walk home with an exhausted body. I believe that we must have painful feet when you're laying down flat on the sofa. It is urgent to relieve the fatigue and pain unless we will come back work with sore feet. The rigid foot spas helps us to relieve the foot stress and soothe pain. We have motorized massage rollers, 6 of them. These are the upgraded electric massage rollers. Free our foot completely and stimulate the acupuncture points on soles to improve the blood circulation. And there are more options available. So smoothing bubbles. The bubbles makes the water flow and maintain the temperature of the water. Soothing sore foot, muscles and joints. Foot massage spa after a long work day is a bonus for our painful feet. And we have infrared controlled PTC heating system. One button to preset the temperature which is most suitable for human body temperature, providing a stable and lasting heat for a warm foot bath. And pumice stone. The good old pumice stone. The foot bath is equipped with an automatic foot grinding stone, which helps to remove dead skin on foot and keep the foot skin smoother. But that is not enough. We can have a warm foot spa. We can add a few drops of essential or some epsom salt to enjoy a therapeutic spa massage for free. And our feet's gone free and get a fresh feeling for our feet. That's awesome, isn't it? And it has an all-round protection. Designed of waterproof and electricity-proof prevents our from any safety hazards. It's the upgraded version with dust-proof cover. Helps to keep the foot spa machine clean. We can enjoy a perfect foot therapy at home without spending extra money at a spa salon, because our spa salon is at home after this foot spa machine. And it has portable handle. The portable handle makes the movement of the foot spa massager more effortless, which gives users a touchful user experience. And the benefits we will get with the device. Relief sore foot. There are many meridians on foot connecting the body organs such as lung, intestine, heart, brain, liver, etc. Massaging the corresponding points and parts is beneficial to relieving sore foot muscles so as to eliminate the foot fatigue, which will help us stay energetic during a long time. And we can have a better sleep. The foot therapy has a calming effect, which can eliminate physical and mental fatigue. A warm foot spa before bedtime enables us to sleep better. And of course, that's the best thing. Keep light and careful. Pressing the acupuncture points on the foot will promote metabolism. A proper foot spa assist, which can refresh our body, help weight loss, and improve well-being. And of course, relieve discomfort. A warm foot spa helps open the foot vessels and stimulate the nerves endings, relieving discomfort caused from a cold, keeping soaking feet in warm water can improve immunity as well. Awesome. A foot spa is a great way to help relax ourselves after a day filled with stress and fatigue, for it accelerates the process of metabolism, which is benefit to our entire body. Simply fill the spa bath massager with water, customize our ideal spa treatment, and then enjoy yourself with a relaxing comfort through bubbling warm water. The restorative spa helps elevate stress and enhance well-being, making us believe that a day's hard work is worthwhile and sleep better at night. Oh, we have 6 motorized massage rollers. We have so many functions in it. Roller massage, mini acupressure massage points, soothing bubbles, infrared light, pedicure attachment, pumic stone, timing, fast heating. Wow! Digital temperature control is from 95 degrees Fahrenheit up to 118, and the rated voltage is 120 volt in the United States. The rated power is 500 watt. The record frequency is 60 Hz in the United States. We will get a foot spa massager, a nail file, a brush, and a power cord. And it's so enjoyable. After a long, hard working day, get your own private Turejo Foot Spa bath with massager and heat bubbles. And this is the newest upgraded model out there from Turejo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.